Hello my friends. Here I installed a screen door. It cost me $30 at Habitat, and I've already walked into the screen, so it's not going to last. So I need a screen guard, and checking at Lowe's, the screen guard costs as much as I paid for the door. So being in Florida, we're going to make a Florida screen guard. Bamboo is everywhere, and what we're going to do is clean this off. Then we're going to cut it to length, which it's a 36-inch door. The length that we need is 34 inches. Next we're going to split the bamboo in half. So bamboo is pretty weak in this direction. Right like that. Next I'm going to cut the edges, and I'm sending it to 22.5. Now we need some spacers. They're going to be 7 inches long. Using pressure treated wood. Pre-drilling the spacers. I'm using double-sided tape as a third hand. This will hold it on the door. Okay, this handle is determining where I'm putting this guard, and I'm going to put one above and one below. The ends are pre-drilled and countersunk. Now when these are put in, it's very important that you don't over tighten. The holes are pre-drilled in the aluminum frame of the door, and the arch of the bamboo makes it very weak for cracking, so real light pressure. Bamboo is very strong in the other direction, but it splits very easily. There you have it. Not going to walk into that screen again. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.